Hey YouTube, it's Sean, bringing you a product review today. It's a Powrun, it's a jump starter, and we have a dead battery. I'll show you that in a minute, but let's unbox this thing, show you its features. I got Katie here, alright? Made by Powrun. Alright, so, see what we get. See what we got. I can already tell you one thing I like. That hardback case. It's soft, but it's not nylon like that. It's plastic. I like that. It's got a good zipper on it. I like these cases because your power unit, cannot turn itself on. Comes with the deal here. This is to actually jump your vehicle. I like the reverse polarity. You cannot get, if you do get it wrong, it gives you, I'll show you that in a minute. Then your correct connection light, and there's where you push to start the vehicle. Let's pull the actual unit out and take a look. Alright, I can see it has a flashlight. Most of them do. That part's not too unique. And it has 3 modes on the flashlight, like the flashing light. Whoops, my fault. When you push it once, it gives you the flashing light. It gives you the SOS. Turn it off. Alright, and then here it gives you your USBs outputs. You got a fast charger and a regular USB, and you got a 12 volt output, up to 10 amps of output for 12 volt. Alright, that's pretty cool. If you are in the wilderness and camping or something, it has a compass on it, which is really cool. Alright, so let's put it to its test. It also comes with, the accessories. You got your Type C USB, got a regular micro USB like for your phones. You got your warranty card. Alright. It says it's good for after sale 2 years. If you have trouble, bam. You got your instructions manual. You got your charger for your unit, for your box. But I like that hard case. That's really unique. Most of them come in a either cardboard box or a nylon case or a bag. That box is unique. So what you do here, just like all of them, this is the easiest one that I've seen yet though. I looked on at the book online. They got a good website. I looked at the book online before I put this video. It's so simple. You plug your box in here, right? Alright. Now let's show you that the car is dead. Okay, and it is 100% dead. Today is Thursday. I turned on the headlights yesterday afternoon. It was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's about 5 o'clock today, so it's been over 24 hours dead. There it is. Nothing. Not even a dash light. 0. Alright, so let's go ahead. Go back out here under the hood. I'll let Katie back at the camera. This is the unique. This one's so easy to run. This one would be real good for someone that's not really inclined to jump start a car. I'm kind of scared of doing such. Your wife, your girlfriend, whatever. Say they accidentally go, which one goes where? I'm not sure. Oh, I must have got it wrong. Reverse polarity. It gives you an alarm. It gives you a red light. That's really cool. So, all you got to do to hook it up to get that to go away is hook it the other way. You hook it the other way, Let's start that over. Locks might have reset, so. There we go. There. Just push the boost button after you hook it up, and you got it. Push that orange button and it's ready to start. You didn't have quite enough grunt in that time. Let's try again. That's what makes it better. If you do have a long crank cycle, it'll just cut off, come back out, you push the button, ready to roll again. Real simple to use. This one's something that you want to invest in for someone that's not really likes messing around with that. Instead of calling AAA, or instead of paying a tow company or whatever, there you go. Super easy to use. Good camp light if you have to find your way back to camp. You got a compass. It's a pretty dang, I like it. Good unit. Okay, it's a Model P-O-N-E, like a Model P1. Go ahead and get a screenshot of that there. Alright, get one of that too. Alright, there you go, YouTube. Love y'all, take care. Thumbs up.